Hello everybody, I hope you had a good day. Here it's I've got a new project. I'm using it's called Tree.js, which is a JavaScript type of library. Okay, so this is the way it works. It works like it's a Tree.js. It's a library. It's a JavaScript library that allows developer to create and display animated 3D graphic within a web browser, essentially bringing 3D visual to web pages. So we don't have to use the screen directly in this case. And essentially bringing 3D and by utilizing the WebGL API behind the scene, making it easier to manage complex 3D scenes compared to direct coding with the WebGL alone. Essentially, it simplifies the process of creating interactive 3D content on the web. But in my case, I'm not using as a web, I'm using as a screen. So what I do, and you can also use it on a cellular phone, because remember, it's a web browser. So I put my IP address on the web browser box, and you get it to see the wave, how they move, and you can put music on and you can play with it actually. Okay, so there we are. This is the code. Okay. So remember here you put your username and password, and because it's using obviously WebSocket server and the web server and the WebSocket, which is the sound sensor, put it on pin 4 because pin 2 is not processing correctly. Although it's an ADC, it's analog digital, So sorry, not digital, analog. It's called ADC. Okay, so the other things you can do here on the bar, let the bar, you can let the bar width, the bar numbers, spacing in between bars, and the bar height. Okay, so this you can change the bars according to your prefer. I have changed the color here. Okay. Let me see. I will post also the color code because each color has its own code. So okay, I'll put it here somewhere, but I'm not going to go through all this now. Okay, because it's actually using a multicolor variety. So okay, let's see. This is animation. Okay, so practically we have JavaScript and we have C++ with Arduino IDE. That's all. And the bigger things is that instead of using this normal screen, okay, instead of using a screen or an LED or an OLED screen, you just use your computer screen or your cellular phone screen. Okay, so if I don't talk, there's nothing happening, and if I talk, there is waves. Okay, so practically you can make this lens much bigger, longer, and you can make the wave shorter, and you can change the color. I will post the code and the color code that you get: green, yellow, and red, different bars, different colors. I'll show you also on the next project, how it works. Okay, so I just want to see the code once more, because I had actually sorry, I'm going to make it bigger. Yeah. In any case, I will show you the next project, which individual color. As this one, I made it actually multicolor, so it will take the spectrum, the whole spectrum of RGB. Okay, I think we will cover everything here, but it's and I will put few graphic like this. You can do quite a lot, but obviously just remember there is not enough memory on the microchip. It probably would be better in future as well to try to use a Raspberry Pi Zero, because it's got a better process of memory than an ESP32. Okay guys, I think you have a good weekend. Thank you very much, and thumbs up if you like it.